We know there are a lot of you out there who want to make money online but don't want to invest any money or aren't sure where to start. Today is your lucky day. In today's video, we'll teach you an approach that's completely free, extremely quick and easy to implement, and can even be done on the side. We went to great lengths to ensure that we found today's amazing approach, which would pay you $2.30 for only 30 seconds of effort. We've even taken care of the most difficult portion for you, so you don't have to go through it anymore. This method is designed to function anywhere in the world, but you'll have to test it out for yourself to see whether it works. And then, let us know how it goes in the comments section below. We made sure that today's method is as simple as any of our other videos so that you may enjoy it and learn something from it. Make sure to watch the full video from beginning to end so you don't get confused about today's strategy and that you don't skip any essential aspects, because if you do, you're more likely to not achieve the results that you want. This will be an easy way to make money online in 2021. I'll show you how to leverage the best and most effective platforms to make money quickly. Stay tuned. Want to be notified whenever I upload a new video? Click on that red subscribe button and switch on notifications, and you'll be notified anytime I submit a new video. With that said, let's get right into the tutorial. Alright, the very first step to today's method is to log in to your Gmail account. If you don't have a Gmail account, then we suggest that you create one before proceeding with our method for today, because you're gonna need it. The second thing that you're gonna do is open up a new tab, type in this URL that I'm gonna show you later on, and hit enter on that. This is what you're gonna see next. Basically, we're gonna be doing social media management for other people, and if you're already thinking about it, no, you don't need social media for our method for today. Anyhow, this website was made for the people who don't have much time on their hands, and the way that we'll be using it is entirely different. You can read more about the website if you want to know more on here, but we won't be getting into that too much since that's irrelevant to the way that we're going to be putting this website to use. And that's exactly why we need you to pay attention and make sure that you catch on to everything that we're going to say. So scroll down to the bottom part of the page and click on affiliate/referrals. So yes, we will be promoting this website as an affiliate, but believe it or not, we won't be using a single social media platform to accomplish that. The strategy is unique and you're gonna understand why in a few moments. Now, as you can see, it says refer and earn up to $420 for every customer. Invite anyone to join Crowdfire. The URL for our today's tool was at crowdfireapp.com. Just go to this website and invite anyone to join Crowdfire, and they'll give you 35% of all the payments they make in the first year. $420 is insanely huge, and you better trust that $420, it can go a long way. Now, here are some amazing things about Crowdfire. There's a 35% generous commission, you can earn in cash, it is free to join, they have quick payouts, unlimited earnings on here, and easy tracking and reports. So how this works is that you first sign up and get your referral link, and then you share and promote your link, and the more you promote your link, the more you earn. And lastly, when they spend, you earn 35% of every single payment your customers make, even while you're asleep. So even when you're doing absolutely nothing, if your customer gets the payment, you are immediately getting 35% from that, and that is quite huge. And we'll be showing you the computations later on so you can see what to expect. Okay, so how much can you earn? You can earn as much as you want. There's really no limit on the number of people you can refer and earn from. That means truly unlimited earnings. You earn on every single payment made by a referred customer. You share your referral link, your customer signs up to a monthly VIP plan, which is $99.99 a month. You can earn 35% every single month for the first year, so that's a cool $420 from a single customer. That's only for one customer. Imagine what you can earn if you refer 100 customers. The next thing that we want to show you guys is how much money exactly you could be making, and we know that you're very much interested in that. So go on ahead to the homepage of Crowdfire once again, and then click on pricing. Let's click on monthly to see how much you can earn. Let's say you're able to refer a customer who chooses the Plus plan, so that means they would be paying $9.99 a month, and 35% of $9.99 is $3.49. And you're gonna be earning that for a whole year every single month, which means with a customer on the Plus plan, you could be making $41.95 in a year. But let me tell you something true, something real about this website. Now, customers here rarely choose a Plus plan because they mostly have medium and large businesses, so let's go ahead and compute for that. So, monthly premium plan customers would be paying $49.99 a month, and 35% of $49.99 is $17.49, which means in a year with only one customer, you would expect to make $209.95, which is still absolutely insane. Now we're gonna do the last one, and since this is usually what we get, this is the most realistic one that these big businesses would get. This would give you a better view and something better to expect. Now, a VIP customer is supposed to pay $99.99 every month, and 35% of $99.99 is $34.99, which means that in a year with one VIP customer, only amongst the hundreds that you're going to be getting, you'd make $419.99 in a year by doing absolutely nothing. Just bringing them onto the website, referring them onto the website, and you're earning this in a year. That's extra income, extra money for you to use and save. Now, you're never going to find a place that's going to pay you this much in 1 year, and by doing absolutely nothing. As I said, that's just crazy. Okay, so we're going to be teaching you how you can target the audience that's going to avail the highest type of plan so that we can also get the highest possible earnings. Now, you want to click on Join Now back on the affiliate referral section, and as soon as you click on that, this is where you'd be redirected. You can sign in with Google, so like we mentioned, if you have a Gmail account, you can use that for this, but if you don't, then you can easily just enter your email over here. Now, I'm going to choose to sign up with an email, and once you click on Continue, this is what's going to happen next. You're going to have to complete the sign up details, so you have your first name, last name, your email, which should already be there, and then password, then agree to the terms and join the program. As soon as you're signed up, you'll be redirected right away, and you can go ahead and view the marketplace to browse through all of the opportunities that are on here waiting just for you. Just click on Explore Marketplace, and that should take you over here. Now, as you can see, you probably noticed there are so many programs that you can choose from, and it's actually insane, but you probably also noticed that we aren't on Crowdfire's website. But not to worry, you can look them up over here, and as soon as you can find them, click on Doing Programs. So now you're here, and we want you to click on Join. Now it says that you've joined Crowdfire and that you can go on the dashboard, but before that, we have something really exciting to share. Now, if you look at rewards over here, you'll see that on top of the 35% that you're already going to be getting, you're getting another 5% on top of that, so 40% in total. Now, that is a huge cut, but this is only possible though if you do it in the way that we taught you. So make sure that you follow everything properly. Once you click on Dashboard, you'll be brought to the dashboard of Crowdfire. This is where you'll see everything that you need and the link that you need, and you can easily just copy that because that's your personal and modified link. For now, you can go on a Gmail account, create an email, and this is how we're gonna get customers. And remember how we mentioned that we've already done the hardest part for you? This is it. We've composed and ready to send email to all of your potential customers, so you don't even need to worry about it. You can just go ahead, pause this video, copy this email like so. So obviously where it says insert affiliate link, that's where you're gonna insert your affiliate link. And where it says your name here, that's where you should input your name. Now to find out to whom to send this email to, we want you to go on Google and look up top social media marketing companies. We suggest that you choose this result right here, and as you can see, there are over 35,000 firms on here. That's a lot of customers, and they're the perfect customers for Crowdfire. These are big companies that most probably will avail of the VIP button, and I think we can actually guarantee that which benefits them, but also you, most of all. Now, to get their email address, just go and visit their website. Look for their email, which could be at the bottom or top of the page, but in our case, we had to go over to find a contact, and as you can see, here's the email, and boom. Just copy that email, go back to your Gmail account, paste it on the email that you just made, press send, wait, and then repeat the whole process with millions of other companies that can be your potential customers, and that's basically it. Alright, well that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it until the end of this video, Just know that you'll start making money if you decided to step up. Don't let your emotions control you. Get up and start following whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you did make it to the end, I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure to check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day, and all you gotta do, just like to my channel, turn on the notification bell, like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on notifications, and like this video. If you want to see more money making videos, click on the next video as shown on the screen following this tutorial. Okay, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.